Unpopular opinion. In senior high school, you might really enjoy your research subject. Sounds weird? It isn't actually. Let me tell you something. Once you get the hang of it, research is actually fun and rewarding. Yes, you heard it right. I'm sure you've heard a lot of complaints from the social media or even from graduating students of how challenging and difficult research writing is. But just like any other subjects like math, science, or English, there is a certain formula on how to make research writing easier. You'll definitely ace your research subject once you follow these procedures. Let us try to debunk the misconception that research is a difficult subject. That research is just a course requirement that makes you sleepless at night, that makes you nervous all the time when you have your defense. Well, you're actually right. Research could be a very overwhelming and stressful subject, but it can also be a much more interesting and fascinating subject to explore. Hello, everyone. I am Ma'am Kath, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I will be creating tutorials and lesson videos to guide you on your research writing process. We'll begin by defining research and how important it is in our daily lives. Generate your research topic and create your research title, all the way from the other parts of the research up until the tips to ace your defense. Join me as I discuss and guide you in your research writing. With the appropriate skills and knowledge about research, determination, and confidence, you will not only ace your research but also fall in love with the entire process. Like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to click the notification below so that you will be updated of my Practical Research 1 series. Thank you and see you!